Are you tired of the daily grind of injections, medications, and blood sugar monitoring? Well, get ready for a revolutionary change that will leave all that behind. Introducing a simple yet incredibly powerful ritual that can swiftly reverse high blood sugar levels like never before, leaving conventional treatments in the dust. Imagine waking up each morning with a renewed vigor, taking charge of your health, and embracing life to the fullest. Say goodbye to the notion that type 2 diabetes is a life sentence. This captivating video holds the key to unlocking the steps for reversing your type 2 diabetes. Join this esteemed doctor as they guide you through a detailed, effective, and affordable method that you can start implementing today. By incorporating this technique into your daily routine before bedtime, you'll witness results that surpass any other treatment you've ever tried. It's a game changer. Did you know that your lifestyle, genetics, or even your daily sugar intake have little to do with diabetes? Groundbreaking studies from diabetes research at the University of Utah Health have revealed that your blood sugar continues to rise despite insulin injections or conventional treatments. It's time to explore the true culprit, a mysterious molecule that's the primary cause of diabetes in individuals over 48 years of age. This breakthrough approach targets the root cause of diabetes, making it extraordinarily potent. Join the ever-growing community of over 41,694 individuals who have embraced this method each morning and reclaimed their lives. Remember, this has nothing to do with medications, fad diets, or costly therapies. Don't miss out on this life-altering information. Watch the video now, as its availability is uncertain. It's time to take control of your health and rewrite your diabetes story.